Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel, Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have an unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the newest release from Haramain, and this is Haramain Junoon Oud. It just came out about a few weeks ago. They sent me this to review, so the Haramain, thank you very much for reaching out to me. So this one is from the line that has another three. So there are three in this line. Two of them I reviewed before, so you can go and have a look if you are interested. In terms of what you get and what you pay, they are very good because they are around £50 give or take. Right now this one is not in stock anywhere apart from Haramain global website, so I'm expecting it to soon be available in other Haramain branches, but for now only place you can find it is Haramain global. So let's get into it. As you can see, cardboard box as always. Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Beautiful presentation, beautiful color, very woody color. Attention to detail is everywhere, and sorry about the noise. So as you can see, very pretty presentation as always with Haramain, and this is how it opens. Again, for £50, if you go to other big brands, you never get presentation like this. Anyway, so this is 75 ml Eau de Perfume, and it is a unisex. So this is the box again. And the bottle is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. It's a color of the wood. If there is a wood which is quite dark and red, and the cap is a plastic, but it's all right. And the atomizer is golden. Let's go. Here we go. Very good atomizer as always with Haramain perfumes. So this one is Haramain Junoon, and this is unisex 75 ml. Retail for 50 quid, I think, because on the global website, Haramain global website, it sells for 250 dirham, which is equivalent, give or take, for between 50 to 60 pounds. As I said, at the moment it's not available apart from that website. Anyway, here we go. First impression. There's no oud in here. Anyway, so it's very fresh. Goodness me, so much fruity and also zesty feel to it. Zest. It's like a combination of different lemony, is grapefruit, is bergamot, is lime in here. Goodness me, it's like you're peeling all these citruses and you're smelling them. So natural and so zesty and so fresh. Right now this is all I'm getting. It's very zesty, it's very citrusy, and it's quite fruity. And the fruits in here are light fruits like pear, like apple. Okay, yeah, pear, apple, maybe even a little bit of peach. There's peachy feel to it. Yeah, very peachy, but again quite light and quite refreshing, and it's not a deep or complex or very thick. It's quite light. It's quite, I mean, it's not light in terms of perfume itself. It's Eau de Perfume, and it shows that it's quite dense, but in terms of profile of the scent is very happy, fresh, summery, even hot weather perfume, which is very surprising because Junoon Oud, I was expecting something quite dense, quite thick, quite earthy, and oudi, but right now there is no oud. There's something green underneath it as well, which is similar to vetiver, but I'm not sure it's vetiver in here. Again, I'm just giving you a first impression. This is completely organic. I haven't looked note breakdown, I haven't looked at anything, so this is first impression, and I want it to be as organic as possible. So yes, something green like vetiver in the background, and also a little bit woodiness as well, but there's no oud. Yeah, very woody, it's quite happy, effervescent, it's quite sparkly. It's like a white wine sparkle, or even champagne sparkling, okay? But what an opening, beautiful, very zesty, very fruity, quite green, quite woody, and also fresh and inviting. So this is complete 180 degrees from what it says, which is Junoon Oud. Why name it Oud? Name it something else, and name it Junoon Fruit, Junoon Citrus, Junoon Fresh, Junoon whatever. But it could be that later on in development it would change and it becomes oudier. But right now there is no sign of oud whatsoever. You can't even see it in the horizon. But very fresh, very fruity, very zesty, very woody, and quite green right now. And this is all I'm getting, but very uplifting, very inviting, very fresh, very beautiful. So the opening is gorgeous, very sparkly, beautiful for summer and warmer weather. But as you know, you could be easily for not winter, autumn and spring as well. Okay, it's completely unisex to my nose. There is no, the pendulum doesn't go either way. It doesn't go towards feminine or towards masculine. It has little bit, not much, but little bit of no, I'm not going to mention Creed Aventus again, because it doesn't have Creed Aventus DNA, but it has got little bit of that opening freshness of Creed Aventus, if you get what I'm saying. So it's not a Creed Aventus clone, but the opening is so sparkly and so fresh and uplifting. It reminds me of that, because Creed Aventus, no matter how many people try to copy it, that opening nobody so far could do. But this one is very similar to opening of Creed Aventus, which is very zesty, very fruity, very lemony, very fresh, very uplifting, very inviting, very captivating. So this has got that kind of opening, which is amazing. The opening is gorgeous. Wow, still the fruits and the citrus still going very, very strong. So what I'm getting, first impression, first sniff: fruits, zesty basket of citruses, grapefruit, lemon, lime, bergamot, plus greenness, plus little bit of woody aspect to it, but no oud, no dirty stuff, nothing yet, nothing deep, nothing earthy, nothing there. But for first impression, for first sniff, yes, beautiful. The opening is 10 out of 10, gorgeous. What an opening. I wish this opening was on the copies of Creed Aventus. That it would have made it like unbelievable. Anyway, so beautiful. I'll let you know in the next video the development, the longevity, and good things like this. I'll leave it in the description where you can find it if you're interested to do your research. But for now, beautiful, gorgeous, unisex, yes, quite summery, quite happy, quite fresh, and oud, there is nowhere to be seen. Thank you very much as always to join me, and if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, if you find it valuable in any way or shape, you know what to do. Hit that bell button for future uploads, thumbs up, and subscribe for future videos. Share this video with others. This way you help me to expand my channel, and I'll be very grateful. If you want to buy me a coffee, there is a heart button in the bottom of this video. You can do that, or you can buy one of my own fragrances, which is from different universe. Thank you very much, and as always, I'll see you later. Bye.